Oh shit, I need to update. Wait, what the fuck? I'm system updating. I'm sorry, chat. I'm bugged. I haven't used Switch in so long.
I can't believe this. Oh no. Updating doesn't take that long.
Hold on, thank you. I'm sorry, Haruka. I'm bugged.
Chat, hit her with the hype train at least while we wait. Oh my god.
Okay.
System update stream, let's go.
It was fast. It was pretty fast.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Thank you, Mama.
Chat, do you see that up there on the top of the chat? A hype train is close.
No.
Oh my god. Chat.
You're lying.
Look there. You see it, chat?
No, they don't.
Up there.
No, they don't.
Up there, chat. Pogs, no way.
Nope, they don't.
Whoa. What happens if the train leaves
I'm
the
done.
station?
Thank
Yeah,
you,
everyone
Forever.
pointed at it, chat. Look at that. There it is. Whoa! Unbelievable! Man!
Haruka, what are you doing?
Oh my god, the train has left! Choo-choo! Chugga, 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 chugga,
Ita, thank you so much for 20. Oh my god. Sakram. Thank you for 700 bits. Haruka, you need to...
Yeah?
Chad, you need to do that on Haruka's stream, okay?
Oh my god, look, here's the train.
Okay?
No
It's leaving the
confidence.
station! It's the hype train! Oh my god, there it goes, chat!
Next station is these nuts in your mouth.
Level 5 plus 500%, let's go.
What the fuck? Thank you.
I hear the hype train!
Oh my god, oh my god. What is that?
Look what Haruka told me. Okay, you can use that for now. You can actually use that now. Because I clearly didn't start the first one.
Thank you.
Fog!
Thank you. Man. Thank you, Harp. Thank you, Harp. Thank you. Haruka, thank you.
Why are you thinking I did nothing?
I don't know. You're just...
Hey, King, let's go! King, let's go! Let's go!
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Man, what's the next goal, Annie?
There's no goal. There's
What's the next goal? It's the train.
Holy shit, I am thinking.
It's approaching, chat. You guys hear the train? The train is going so fast.
Oh shit.
It's the train.
I'm dying.
About to beat your last record? Oh my god, chat, we're gonna beat a record. Chat, you know we're all about beating records, chat. Beat the record, chat. Chat, we have 4 minutes.
Help.
Don't you love destroying old records? I do. Look at the train. Woo! Let's go!
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god! Do you guys want more train sounds? I think that's what you want, right? Train! Train ASMR! Relaxing. Relax, a long train ride in the fog through Switzerland. There we go.
I can't fucking... Dude, I'm freaking out, but I can't.
We're in a train right now, chat.
Dude, I can't. Shit.
Chat, do you hear that? We're in a train.
Valiant, thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Hold on, I need more train sounds. Chat demands train. Train, relaxing train sounds, blizzard howling, perfect.
Oh my
Oh, chat,
god.
we're in a train.
guys, you're crazy. Thanaras, thank you.
We're setting a new record, chat. 11.
11.
Let's go!
So I'm gonna die.
Woo! She's gonna
What the hell?
Chat, do you guys like this train? Do you like the
Haruka.
train sound, chat? Let's go! Yes!
You're so powerful.
Train.
I can't believe it.
I am powerful. I'm not even doing anything. Here, chat, here's a train whistle for you.
Soap.
Look, we're in a train, chat! Whee!
Soap.
Level 12? Wow. You know what's even better than level 12? If you get to level 14, I'll give you a whistle for encouragement.
Dude. Jesus. Dude, thank you, everybody.
Make it level 20? Oh, damn. You guys would like to achieve
Annie's
high.
heart. Moops is
Queen,
best
not
high
stopping.
Do not
I'm already at
underestimate
the
hype
station.
moves.
Get the fuck back on, Sam. This is a long train. Woo! Team Foxy, thank you for the 5K pin!
Thank you.
Chad, do you want another
Team
whistle?
Foxy.
Chad, do you want another whistle? I think you want another whistle. Oh. Next stop.
Dude.
Yeah! Can we get much higher? I'll give you another whistle.
It's loud.
Louder?
Yeah.
Like this?
No, it didn't change. Oh my god,
There
thank
you
you
go.
so much, Giraffe. Holy shit. Sounds so oh god. Dude.
Welcome to the hype train. I am the conductor, Haruka, and welcome as we go forward down this train. We're about to reach level 11 for the next stop.
This girl, man.
We seem to be approaching station 13. We will stop at this
Yeah.
station unless someone wants to go to station 14.
Oh, I don't know what to say,
Get
man.
supported by Annie's Haruki Hub.
The only passenger is Annie in chat.
Thank you, Samsa. Kitazo, thank you.
This train has
Thank
no
you,
brakes.
Nagasat. Oh my god.
Do you want another whistle in the back?
Corpa. These nuts. Got him. It's okay. That's God.
Good one. Are we stopping at level 13? Are we? Come on, Dad. We can set it at a higher record.
Thank you. Haruka. The ultimate train conductor.
That is me. I can't say it's 13. That's an unlucky station, Chad. There's ghosts and goblins in this station.
Nope. 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 No. Nope.
Get me out of here. Yeah, I'm trying my best. The gliding drop on the train. Off to your left, you can see some ghosts making out. Thank you for the 10. You also get a whistle. 10 gifted subs. Let's go.
not so fast.
Shampoo.
We gotta get out of here.
I like
Not so
13.
fast,
I like
goblins.
13, Chad.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over my whistling. Another one for the other one.
Hashtag
Thank
yeah.
God. We left Station 13. I was a little worried.
Dude.
Sandy! Where the fuck gifted?
I missed my stop. Oh my God.
Missed your stop? I'm so sorry. But we're still going.
That's okay. You know, Station 14 is also fun.
Bits are free, bits are free.
You like Station 14? Huh? You like the water animals around us?
It's fine. It's fine.
You like the water mammals around?
the what?
The water mammals?
Water mammals?
Yes.
Yeah, they're fine.
That's a little biased. You heard View at 15's amazing? Oh, I heard that too. You
Really?
thought this was amazing? Wait till we get to Station 15.
I'm getting
There's
dry.
capybaras at Station 15, chat. There's capybaras.
Fuck.
Chat, there's capybaras at Station 15.
Capybaras? Oh my
And
Yes.
God.
Hawk's real. Yes, there's actual capybaras at Station 15. Yeah, the cappy
The
blappies.
Cappy Blappy.
You want to see the capybaras, chat, don't ya?
Cappy Blappies.
The capybara. You can pet. They don't even get on the station with us. They'll even get on our train if we get to Station 15.
Fuck.
They like to get on this station. We'll actually cuddle up with the capybaras.
Dad.
So you not only have a great view, but you get capybaras.
Let's go.
It's dead ass, dude. You get capybaras. Oh my God, was that a 5 gifted sub? You know what that means? Dead ass. Don't you want capybaras, Chad? Don't you want whistles whenever you give the sub?
Haruka.
Dead ass. It's capybara time.
Oh my gosh, you're so funny.
Eat out the 5 gifted! Let's go!
Thank you so much.
You can enjoy the water mammals, but I think the View of 15 is astounding. As Mario proclaims, they are. I insist it. All the mods are part of the train staff. I recommend them as part of the train staff. They have been on this
It's
train
okay.
several times. They know
okay.
the ins and outs of this train. So when Maru says that the View of 15 is amazing, trust them. They are telling the truth.
Thank you so much. Dude, it really is fun.
We are so close. I think we're 2% out of the lane. We're almost approaching Station 15. We're gonna get capybaras, chat. The capybaras, chat.
Shampoo.
Let's fucking go, capybaras.
You gotta do 3 whistles now.
Shampoo.
Oh my God.
Look, chat.
And fact.
You see the capybara? They're climbing out of the station.
What was that?
That's a capybara. Look, they're climbing out of the station. Aren't they cute?
I'm scared.
Look, they're fuzzy and adorable! Look at that! Look at the capybaras! They're climbing out of the train!
They don't
Give them some grass! Look, they're eating! Astounding!
Haruka.
You capybara since we made Station 15. Astounding. Not only you have your own capybara, but you also see rainbows. Isn't this beautiful here, chat? Look at the view. Look at the sun and the clouds and the rainbows and the grass. See, Mario was telling the truth. I know.
Yeah, beautiful. People.
Oh, I gotta task my Steph. Hey, Steph! What do you think about Station 16? Is it a better view than here?
Annie.
Wow.
Taro, thank you for the 13! You have never been there? Oh my god. We have just confirmed from staff that they've never been to Station 16. Not only it'll be a new view for us,
Oh my
but it'll be a
God.
new view for Annie and me and Steph and you! Yeah, I'm pointing at you!
Me?
No one has ever reached the Station 16 before!
It's okay. We can stay here.
No, Couch, here's the thing! The capybaras are staying!
The coffee
They
bar.
just got on this station at Station 15 and they're just hanging out! They're not leaving this train! So that's
They're
even
out
better!
of juice. They're out of juice.
Let them stay home? Okay.
Holy
Some of them
shit.
want to stay. One just ate my sandwich. Oh, they were hungry. Never out of juice.
Thank you, everybody. Please do the train for Haruka when she seems
I'm
next
the
time.
conductor. What do you mean? I'm the
What?
conductor.
No, dude,
Oh my god, I can't
I'm
hear.
gonna be a conductor on your stream.
Oh my god, I can't. I'm so sorry. I can't hear you.
Oh
Man.
my god.
God,
Oh my
maybe I'll hear
God.
better. Maybe I'll hear better if I'm Station 16.
Come on.
Maybe my hearing will improve if we get to
Haruka,
Station
my
16.
beloved. I think Station 15 is perfect.
What are you saying?
I'm hungry.
Oh, Anonymous is the 5 gifted!
God. Thank you.
Don't you want my hearing to get better, chat? Then get to Station 16!
Oh god.
Holy shit, we're at 2K subs! Let's go! Yeah!
Oh, thank you.
Let's fucking go! Can we pet the moose at the station? There'll be several mooses at the station that you can pet. Marcel!
Thank you. So cute. Oh,
I'm hungry.
it's
Another
okay.
3 gifted for Marcel! Let's go! More? You want more whistles? I got them.
Oh god. 69.
8, 7. Oh! Oh. Train. Oh, it looks like the train's coming to a halt, chat.
Jesus. You're crazy. Man,
Thank you for stopping by the train today, guys. We got to level 15. You were fully immersed? I am glad.
Thank you.
Please join my train again, the train. Or, you know.
On Haruka's channel, run her train, please.
Oh my god, I can't. I'm so sorry. It only
No,
works on
no,
other
no,
people's
no,
channels.
no.
Chat, did you like that? Those sound effects? Why did you give me a shout out?
Shout out.
Nah.
God, thank you.
It was so good. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the train.
Thank you.
Please hire me to be always your conductor at the train. You know, I love taking out my train out for a ride. You know, she's
so
wonderful.
Sweet, Haruka.
Are you crying? Now, see, that's the effect of going on my train. I've been told.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
Then why is what the?
I'm not crying. No.
What's with the?
I'm just sniffing mint.
Bullshit! You have no mint.
I have mint.
You're smoking your sniffer mint on stream? Can't believe it.
Fuck.
She's getting addicted to the mint again. Sniffer. Not the sniffer.
I don't.
Yeah?
I don't deserve this, man.
Are you kidding me? Yes,
you
do.
did it all.
What do you mean? I just took them on a train. Everyone else did everything. Listen, all I did was drove them around on my train.
Oh my god.
Everyone else did all the work. The staff were recommending the best spots to go to.
I was just sitting on your train.
Yeah, you were just hanging out my... Listen, you're hanging out my train. That's the best you can do.
Oh my god.
Don't you dare blame Haruka. I was just driving the train,
No,
man.
don't blame you. No.
I can't believe it. You deserve it, motherfucker.
Thank you. Really.
Thank you for going on my train.
I enjoyed your train. Would
You did?
ride
Were you-
again.
You will ride my train again? Were you fully immersed?
I love riding your train, Haruka.
Oh, make sure you put that on. You make sure you review my train. You know, give it 5 stars. Give my staff
Yeah.
5-star ratings. You know, I think the staff did fantastic. We have Pet Moz in chat for the staff's amazing work, for recommending good, you know, stations to drive to, because I would not know where I was going. I was just driving straight, but they were really hyping up the stations.
They were giving you the fuel to continue.
Yeah. They let the capybaras on the train. Like, that's a special edition. I usually that never really happens, you know? But that station had capybaras.
Capybaras.
The capybaras. Perfect.
Thank you so much, everyone.
She's crying! We did it, chat! They're holding me captive. Joey, what do you mean? I'm giving you praise. That's the payment, right? For being on my train?
God. Whoa! The first time chat I'm gonna go see.
Whoa.
Wow. Thank you, everyone. Holy shit.
You know, we were giving you so much love to make up for the fact that we're all gonna kick your ass later.
I feel loved. I feel loved like I haven't been loved in a long time.
Oh, Annie!
Hopefully you can get me back massagers. I will.
Lovers!
Thank you.
Aw, lovers, chat. Lovers. Lovers and people with Look. She's crying, chat.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I can.
Everyone rejoice. She's tearing up. That was the plan.
I'm fine. I can do things.
You can do
I
things.
can do you.
Oh, I mean, at least wait till after stream. Fucking Christ, Annie. What? You didn't even take me on a date,
I'm not like in Tetris, you know?
Yeah, sure. That's what they all say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need
That's
to
what
pee
they all-
so bad again. I was laughing so hard. I need to pee.
Don't pee.
Don't pee.
No, go pee.
Oh, okay. I'll be
Oh my. Oh my god. You know, I think we did a good job, chat. You guys did phenomenal. I hope you're all financially stable. Now, this is for you, chat, because you did so amazing. Here you go.
No boops.
There you go, chat. We did it, chat! Woo! When's the next train? Well, unfortunately, I'm out of gas, so I need to, you know, take approximately 2 hours to refill the gas. Yeah, the train's tired. The train goes steep. The train takes 2 hours for it to recharge.